Y'all, this still the shop video, shop flow. We got another car here again. We got Ocean View still, but we're finna go do some stuff real quick. And I ain't gonna be able to video the whole car the whole time, cause we finna go do something. But I'm finna show y'all the car. I'm finna show y'all the car. So yeah, let's do it. Don't worry about the music. I'll probably mute it.
Shut up, Tony.
A cutlass, y'all. Let me step it out. Yeah. It got a little cut. Yeah. We finna go drop this truck off and grab another one. You gone?
Yeah, I'm back.
Alright. Oh, we in Ocean View, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Look at that. Oh no. They all gonna think we all together. We just having fun, y'all. You know, inside of yeah, we just chilling. Finna go back finna go drop this off, yeah. And probably jump in the Ford, but we're gonna keep the camera rolling. They see how they go at the shop, but yeah, you got old new black Chevy. But we're gonna see how everything go at the shop. And we just gonna chill, really. We've been chilling all day listening to music and that's about it. But yeah, we're gonna see how everything goes. And probably we might have some more cars come up there clean with rims on them or something. Old school. Or it might show you the box Chevy. They don't know. Won't know until we find out. So yeah, I'll catch back with you. Ocean View make people break their necks. It rubs a little bit, but that's crazy. A 4-inch lift with 26s and 37-inch tires. Alright, yeah, we at the store. That's good. Nah. We still at work. We still on the clock. We just out here really just getting content clock, but I had to come pick up the Ford. He got his blazing. I got you. Yeah? I locked it. Let's crank the Ford and open the gate. It is hot. He still got to get 2 more caps. Somebody stepped on one of them. Yeah. We at his house, but he finna go drop his truck off at I forgot where he finna drop it off at, but you know, I'm just helping him. Why they folks just looking at me crazy? I'm like, I don't even know these folks. They just looking at me crazy, but I'm finna go ahead and catch up to him so I can follow him. He's sitting wide. Ooh, he's sitting wide. But everything going on. Got that truck. 40 autos.
Like it?
Nah. It's alright. It's clean. Yeah, them 40 autos. 30s. I don't even know. It's kind of busy, but not that busy. But got so many cars up here. Tell you that. I'm finna get back to work.
What them dudes want? My shit get ready.
Wait till it get ready.
Yeah.
It's gonna be what? T-top.
Yeah.
Hey, all you need is a system in it now. I thought you thought I had 3 2 then.
Nah, that dude said he was missing one.
One, that's what I told you. They gotta check at the house.
He said he was missing one with you. I haven't had all day.
Yeah, but remember, we gotta check at the house.
I mean, the other one over there. I think we bought that other one.
Yeah, one was messed up and it hot.
Remember you said you was gonna order that one?
That one? No, just one, but it came with 2. Yeah. Yeah, we finna get up out of here. To the head. Y'all still gotta go get
cocaine.
Bread, cheese.
They ain't got it ready.
Y'all still gotta go get bread and cheese.
This week.
Yeah. We finna head to the house. I'ma drive his Ford today, cause the blue Chevy ain't here. Y'all seen it earlier. Blue Chevy ain't here. I'ma take his Ford. I'ma floss in it, like I was flossing in this. But hey, let's try not to get in trouble, y'all. Let's try not to get in too much trouble today. Let's try not to get no. Oh man, where the keys at? Oh man, I don't know where I put his keys. Oh. Hey, you know how much gas you just drunk just then? You like it? Which way he going? Oh man, I gotta follow him either way he go. Let's see. Let's see which way he go. Let's crank the truck and I'ma let the windows down. Man. Oh boy, it's sitting wide. We gotta let the windows down anyway, cause this truck legal tint. 5% tint all the way around. So yeah, boss man got the dually. Oh yeah, matter of fact, in this video I'm gonna show y'all the box Chevy and everything. That mug look like a Alright, let's see if we get some side action. I don't know why he's swerving. Let's see if we get some side action of him. Okay, y'all. Let's see if we get some side action of him. He rolling fast, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when we get to the house.